A Power over Ethernet (PoE) switch is a network switch that provides power to PoE-enabled devices, such as IP phones, wireless access points, and IP cameras, over Ethernet cables. This eliminates the need for a separate power source, simplifies installation and reduces costs. A PoE switch can either be a standalone device or built into a router or gateway. PoE switches come in different types and standards, including PoE, PoE+, and PoE++, also known as 802.3 AF, 802.3 ET, and 802.3 BT respectively. These standards define the amount of power that can be delivered over the Ethernet cable, ranging from 15.4 watts for PoE to up to 90 watts for PoE++. When selecting a PoE switch, it's important to consider the power requirements of the devices you plan to connect, as well as the number of ports you need. Some switches also offer additional features such as VLAN support, quality of service, PoEs, prioritization, and management capabilities.